In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack to communicate and collaborate with your team efficiently. If you're brand new to Slack, don't worry. This beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the essentials so you can start using it confidently for day-to-day teamwork. To get started, set up your account and profile. You can either download the Slack app to your computer or mobile device, or open Slack in your web browser. Once you're there, sign in using your work email. After you log in, click on your profile picture in the top corner. From there, add a photo, choose your display name, and include your role. This helps your teammates quickly recognize who you are and understand what you do, which makes communication smoother from the start. Next, take a moment to understand workspaces and channels. On the far left side, you'll see your workspace. Think of this as your company's main hub inside Slack. Within that workspace, you'll find channels, which are chat spaces created for specific topics, projects, teams, or departments. This structure helps keep conversations organized instead of mixing everything into one place. If you want to explore more, click the plus icon next to channels to join existing ones or create a new one, depending on your access. Once you're inside a channel, you can start posting messages. Click on any channel to open the conversation, then type your message in the text box at the bottom and send it. For better organization, use threads whenever you're replying to a specific message. Just hover over the message and click the reply in thread option. Threads are especially helpful because they keep side conversations attached to the original topic instead of cluttering the main channel. When you need someone's attention, you can tag them in a channel by typing the @ symbol followed by their name. This sends them a direct notification and makes it clear the message is for them. If you need a private one-on-one conversation instead, go to the direct messages section in the left sidebar and click on the person's name to start chatting there. Slack also makes it easy to share files and respond quickly. To upload a document or image, click the plus icon in the message box or simply drag the file into the chat window. And instead of sending lots of short replies like okay or got it, you can hover over a message and add an emoji reaction. It's a simple way to acknowledge updates without filling the conversation with extra messages. Finally, adjust your status and notification settings so Slack works for you. Click your profile picture to set a status, like in a meeting or working remotely, so your teammates know your availability. You can also use the bell icon to manage notifications or pause them when you need uninterrupted focus. That's everything you need to know to get started with Slack today. So jump in and start collaborating with your team.